Welcome to Milton, Mass. Dude!
This is a recording, is it?
Yeah, this now.
Oh. Oh, she brought you over some tape.
I got a tape. I used one of the tapes you brought over.
This is the deck. Now, as soon as everybody walks up there, they're going to be dead because they're going to fall into the plants.
Yeah?
That's all we got to say. And I thought
What?
there was your window there.
No, I'm taping.
Oh, Carol, that came out so good.
Yeah, oh, didn't you see that?
No.
Got to fix the fire.
That's it?
I think so.
What happened?
Future stuff.
So here's the window. Or lack of window. And then here's Brian.
So clean.
It's so clean. We use Windex.
For the shine.
Yeah. Can you go over there and push the pause button?
Come on, chicken paws.
Good idea. I'll take your hat off. Yeah. The shine will...
That's my line.
Oh, but don't take your hat off.
Are you in focus?
I mean, I am focused.
That's right. Before I take my hat off,
What happened to my camera person?
I already said, someone come up and say, make
How long have you been in here?
Are we ready to go back to work here or what?
I can't handle this.
Well, I'm ready. I'm ready.
go to work? I mean, we gotta go to the bathroom.
Wait a minute. You made the light go on.
I already did.
Bud. How's that workout? Foreman.
We're so fine.
Come on, let's go. Tank workout.
Okay, Brian. Go over and put it on pause.
How come I didn't see it the other day?
Go pause me.
Oh, sorry.
Good, very good.
I was in my closet before
Scott. Want to pause it? Uh-oh.
Watch your right side there,
Alan, watch out. Alan, move this hammer.
I'm not doing anything.
Now?
Come on.
No, move out of the way.
Now, we got to turn around?
No. That's the bottom. On the outside.
That's right, that's the wrong way.
Buddy, you gotta stand it up.
Yeah, that's right. So you're going to go over the end?
Whoa.
That's your arm, buddy.
Easy on me, guys. You're gonna try the...
That's again. Good.
Okay, you wanna go down more? A little more now. Hold it. Stop. Gonna hold it? Okay.
No.
I don't think that's right.
Sure it is. Yeah.
Hi, Brian.
That's suicide. Get the plank. Where it gets it?
I was going to say, it started to cut through my wrist.
Ooh.
Can I take
Put the plank out this
Can I
way.
hold it?
Like right over these.
Can I?
No. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I gotta go back in or I'm gonna get stuck in the wire here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, get the
Okay.
wire out of it.
Push the pause button.
way out to it, Cal.
Yeah, I'm going in.
Wait a minute, what are you doing? Put the ladder in there.
Bottom's going away from you.
Yeah? Okay.
You need help there, Brian?
Don't let it go. You stay right there, Scott, from flipping away from it. Push on it.
You got it. Okay, Joe, slide
I'm
your
watching.
right knee.
I'm watching them.
Okay.
No,
I got it from going this way.
no, it doesn't go on.
Hey, Joe, you're right. Stop. Let me move the plank. I got the thing.
Here you are watching about 5 American men build a window. Not only just a window, but an Anderson window. They are the best
By the way,
type.
look. What it says.
Watch your fingers.
Wait a minute.
Andersons. Better windows for a better world.
Where are the ins, Scott?
I don't like it. Take it back.
Thanks, Cal.
Brian.
Yeah. I can't tell if this is
Oh,
in
no,
focus or not.
time to go.
What do you think, Steve? Here, move this.
No, I got it.
Wait, it blocks the sound out.
Move to the most, Scott?
No. That's good. Oh, let me lift it?
Sorry.
It's got shingles inside. Oh, here.
You watch. Open the window.
Well, underneath it?
Yeah,
Well, on the 2x4 or on the sill?
on the 2x4, I think.
Should have an auto.
Hanging
Auto
on.
photos.
Brian, Brian, we need some shingles.
Well, lift it up, buddy. Try yours, then. I'm coming. Try your end.
Shingles would do it.
Where are the shingles? I'll get them. In the house, there's a box of them.
All right. Wait a minute. Want me to lift up on that?
We need wait a minute, you need to get in a shingle, okay? We can just wedge it in there. All right?
What about the boards that were underneath it?
Need to come up anymore?
Did you have that made, or was that deck size? That's the size that they came in. Oh. I want to go in front of you. Okay.